In this video, we are comparing two popular website builders, Framer and Cardco. We will look at their features, pricing, and who they are best for, helping you choose the right one for your next project. Let's start with Framer. Framer is a powerful design and prototyping tool that has evolved into a full-fledged website builder. It's made for designers who want to create highly interactive and polished websites. Think of it as a tool that bridges the gap between design canvas like Figma and a live website. You can design with complete freedom, add complex animations, and publish directly from the same platform. What makes Framer stand out is its ability to turn your designs into production-ready code. This means what you design is exactly what you get on the live site. It also includes a content management system or CMS to manage dynamic content. And guess what? Framer has powerful AI features that can generate and design a website for you in seconds. It's a great choice for creating everything from simple landing pages to complex, content-driven sites with pixel-perfect precision. Framer's biggest strength is its visual editor. If you have used design tools like Figma or Sketch, you will feel right at home. You can design your website with complete freedom. Just drag elements like text, images, and buttons into the page. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. This makes the design process very fast and fun. You don't need to guess how things will look after you publish. It also makes it easy to create responsive designs. This means your website will look great on phones and tablets too. Framer has smart tools that help you with this. You can focus on being creative and not on writing code. This makes it perfect for people who care a lot about design. Framer makes it incredibly easy to add animations to your website. You can make elements fade in, slide in, or move as you scroll. These effects can make your website feel much more modern and engaging. You can add these animations with just a few clicks. There is no need to learn complicated coding. You can also create interactions. For example, you can make a button change color when you hover over it. This helps guide your visitors and make your site more fun to use. These features are built right into Framer, so they work smoothly. You don't need to install extra plugins like you do with other platforms. If you want a website that really stands out with cool effects, Framer is amazing. It helps you create a very polished and professional look. Framer is an all-in-one solution for building a website. This means everything you need is included in one package. You don't have to find and pay for your own web hosting. Framer takes care of that for you. This makes getting your website online much simpler. It also means your website will be fast and secure. Framer optimizes everything to work well together. You also get a built-in content management system. This lets you easily manage content like blog posts or portfolio projects. For people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites, this is a huge plus. You can focus on creating your website and Framer handles the rest. Framer is built for teams to work together. Multiple people can work on the same website project at the same time. This is great for design agencies or businesses with a marketing team. You can leave comments directly on the design. This makes it easy to give feedback and make changes. Everyone can see the latest version of the website in real time. There is no need to send files back and forth. This speeds up the design process a lot. It helps to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are working with others on a website, Framer's collaboration features are a big advantage. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Framer has a few different pricing plans. There is a free plan that lets you try it out. You can build a website with it, but it will have Framer branding. The paid plans start at around $5 per month for a simple landing page. The most popular plans for personal or business websites are around $15 to $30 per month. These plans let you use your own custom domain name. They also give you more features and bandwidth, which is how much traffic your site can handle. For bigger teams and businesses, there are more expensive plans with more features. The price includes hosting, so you don't have that extra cost. Overall, Framer's pricing is clear and includes everything you need to get started. So, who is Framer for? Framer is perfect for designers and creative people. If you want a visually stunning portfolio, Framer is an excellent choice. It's also great for creating beautiful landing pages for new products. Small businesses that want a modern and stylish website will love it too. If you value design and ease of use over having thousands of features, Framer is for you. It's for people who want to build a beautiful website quickly without writing code. If you have used design software before, you will find Framer very easy to learn. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create impressive websites with cool animations. Now let's talk about Card. CardCo is all about simplicity. It is a website builder designed specifically for creating simple, responsive one-page websites. If you need a personal profile, a landing page for a new product, or a simple portfolio, Card is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get it done. The entire platform is built around this one-page concept, which makes it incredibly focused and user-friendly. You don't need any coding or design experience to get started. You choose from a selection of beautiful templates, customize them with your own content using a simple editor, and publish your site. The whole process can take just a few minutes. Think of it as the perfect tool for when you just need to get a stylish and effective presence online quickly. It's not trying to be an all-in-one solution, and that's its biggest strength. Card's main feature is how incredibly easy it is to use. You can literally go from a blank slate to a published website in minutes. The user interface is clean and straightforward. There are no complicated menus or hidden settings to worry about. You start by choosing a template or a blank canvas. Then, you add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms from a simple menu. Editing these elements is as easy as clicking on them and changing their properties in a sidebar. Everything happens in real time, so you can see exactly what your site will look like as you build it. This simplicity makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skill level. You don't need to watch hours of tutorials to understand how it works. It's perfect for those who feel overwhelmed by more complex builders and just want a simple, no-fuss experience. Card does one thing, and it does it exceptionally well: creating one-page websites. This focus is what makes the platform so effective. By limiting you to a single page, it forces you to be concise and clear with your message. This is ideal for many use cases like a personal About Me page, a landing page to collect email signups, or a quick portfolio to showcase your best work. The templates are all designed with this one-page structure in mind. They are professional looking and responsive, meaning they look great on any device, from a desktop computer to a smartphone. You can create different sections on your single page and use buttons to smoothly scroll visitors to the right spot. This makes for a very smooth and modern user experience, perfect for today's short attention spans. Even though Card is simple, it doesn't mean it's not powerful. With a Pro plan, you can easily add forms to your website. This is perfect for creating a coming soon page where you can collect email addresses from interested visitors. You can integrate these forms with popular services like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Zapier, allowing you to automate your email marketing. You can also embed widgets from other services like Stripe for payments or Gumroad for selling digital products. This allows you to add e-commerce functionality to your one-page site without needing a complex online store. You can also embed custom code if you have specific needs. These integrations add a surprising amount of power and flexibility to such a simple and affordable tool, making it useful for small businesses and creators. Cards pricing is one of its most attractive features. You can use it for free for up to 3 sites. If you want to go pro, the plans are billed annually and are very affordable. The Pro Lite plan starts at just $9 per year. The Pro Standard plan, which allows you to use a custom domain and add forms, is only $19 per year. The Pro Plus plan at $49 per year gives you even more sites and advanced features like password protection and redirects. For what it offers, Cards pricing is almost unbeatable, especially for personal projects and simple business sites. Card is for anyone who needs a simple, beautiful one-page website and needs it fast. It's perfect for freelancers creating a portfolio, authors making a page for their new book, or anyone launching a new product and needing a landing page. If you are not a designer and have no coding skills, Card is an excellent choice. Its simplicity and affordability make it ideal for students, hobbyists, and small business owners who need a professional online presence without the cost and complexity of larger platforms. If simple and cheap sounds good to you, Card is the answer. So, which one is right for you? If you are a designer who wants complete creative control, advanced animations, and a powerful CMS to build complex, beautiful websites, then Framer is your tool. It's a professional-grade platform that turns your designs into reality. But if you just need a simple, stylish, one-page website and you want it done quickly and for a very low price, then Card is the clear winner. It's all about simplicity and speed. Both are great tools, but they serve very different needs. Choose the one that best fits your project and your skills. We hope this comparison was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer. Thanks for watching.